Indian Institute of Packaging, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, Kolkata Center, themed on packaging for better living. IIP is celebrating 60 years Diamond Jubilee. They are organizing a national conference on the future of packaging, themed on Innovate, Integrate, Inspire. 26th and 27th February at Hotel ITC Shonar, Kolkata. Indian Institute of Packaging, the chief organizers, supported by Handlooms, Textiles and Handicrafts Department, Government of Odisha, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, National Jute Board, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, West Bengal Pollution Control Board. And we have the Joint Director Bidhan sir with us. Sir, 60 years of fantastic existence, and you are also associated for the past, I think, more than 15 years or so. Right, sir?
I have almost completing 26 years of packaging services, and in IIP I joined in 2006, so it is almost 20 years I am in IIP.
Fantastic. And sir, the salient points of this conference of today and tomorrow?
See, today we are talking about the future of packaging, that innovation and integration, correct? How the innovation can come with integration with the different packaging materials, techniques and system. And tomorrow the theme is on the circular economy, plastic waste management regulation and sustainable packaging. So now you know that whatever the packaging we are using, after the product is used, packaging is just thrown in the environment. So we are dumping. So we should use more and more eco-friendly packaging, so which will keep our environment safe and the world will be, pollution free. So more and more circular economic products or packaging material which are biodegradable, eco-friendly. So how they can be used in packaging, what is the techniques, what is the innovation happening. So tomorrow we'll discuss about that. Sri Rajesh Kumar Mishra, IRS, Director IIP and DGFT Mumbai, Additional DGFT.
Okay. Sir, we feel that you are quite happy with whatever setting IIP Kolkata has done for this today's conference. Are you happy with the setting and all the?
This is an event organized by IIP. IIP is a Indian Institute of Packaging under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, with centers across the country. Mumbai is the headquarters, Calcutta is one of the centers, and this national conference on future of packaging is an important step to join hands with the stakeholders and find out how we can do better and what direction India's packaging, technology, education, consultancy, R&D should take. And the kind of response that is there from the industry and the state governments in Northeast especially, it's very heartening. I can see many representatives from the state governments, which indicates that the state governments are aware of the importance of packaging, and the Government of India's focus on improving the packaging capability is very much visible in the form that in the export promotion mission by the Government of India, packaging has been identified as one of the important areas in which we need to support the exporters.
The Vice Chairperson Debashis sir with us. Debashis sir, if you can kindly say about the program details and whatever mission and vision of IIP.
Good morning. We have just started the conference which will be going on today and tomorrow. We had a fantastic opening session. The entire packaging conference, as you can see the theme in the background, it is of course aimed at the future of packaging. We have a lot of speakers, almost 40 speakers in 2 days. The speakers are already here in Kolkata and in the hall. The sessions will be starting in a few minutes. And as far as looking into the future, we have designed the conference in such a way that the participants from the industry as well as students who are here, they will be both enriched with a lot of knowledge. So
at the warehouse, we build our own antennas, is what I indicated, for better readability within our ecosystem.